Welcome to QuickBox. Episode 3. Each machine is fed with corrugated sheet material by an automatic transfer cart. Each stack is broken down into smaller portions called blocks and shingled separately to a feed table. The sheets are fed via a series of feed wheels that work in tandem with feed rolls that insert the sheet into the machine. The feed roll is comprised of a soft durometer material that keeps the board from being crushed. Maintaining the board's caliper or thickness is critical to delivering overall strength to the final box. On a rotary die cutter machine, a vacuum transfer system transports the sheet through the machine over many print portions. The graphics and logos are printed on the bottom of the corrugated sheet stock after it passes through the print section. There are multiple cutters for each box type that the plant produces. The cutters are made of 2 half cylinders with inserted metal blades and foam rubber parts to discharge the cut board debris pieces. The scrap is collected and recycled by a paper mill for future roll stock manufacturing. The scrubber part comes next, and it eliminates any remaining loose cutouts and rough edges on the cut sheets. The sheets are then shingled again to reduce their pace as they approach the stocker. The stocker beds accumulate the sheets into stacks, which are then discharged on moving belts for the stocker operators to do quality inspections and prepare for strapping and shipment if the cut sheets hit the stack too hard. The flexo process begins similarly to how the rotary die cutter stock is fed into the conveyor by the automatic transfer carts. In this flexo machine, each stack is split down into blocks, and the printing is done on the top of the sheet. Hence, the stock must be inverted. The stock is transported to a pre-feeder, where the stacks are inverted, eliminating the need for manual inversion. The sheets are then shingled and fed into a feed bed, where feed rolls insert the sheet into the machine. Print plates are mounted on a cylinder, and an ink system applies ink to the print plate, which transfers the ink to the board as it passes through the machine. This machine also uses rotary die cuts, but it only produces 1 box per sheet, as opposed to the rotary-only cutter, which can produce multiple boxes per sheet. On a flexo machine, the scrap is recaptured and recycled for future toll stock. After the glue is applied, the boxes are carried through a folding section with vacuum-assisted belts and a series of folding rods, forcing the panels to fold in the proper sequence. As it exits the machine, the folded box is glued and connected and stacked into bundles according to the customer's specifications. To aid in the quality process, compression time is allowed to allow the glue to properly dry depending on customer specifications. Each bundle is strapped together to ensure stability in transit and ease of handling at the end user. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next episode.